Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Valorant WAN error code 1067. So this is method 2 to fix Valorant error code WAN 1067. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. So to fix Valorant error code 1067, simply first of all you just need to open start menu and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video, and don't forget to subscribe the Bella Solution channel for more videos.